Hey loves, I'm here. Have you overlooked your fridge lately? Well, today in this video, I will show you how to clean your fridge and some useful hacks to make it faster and easier to maintain. Let's go! Isn't it satisfying to see a cleaning video?
Welcome to MB Hacks channel. Not only do we organize your space, but also help you organize your life.
Clean your fridge once you have already less food and items in it. So it's best to do it before heading out to the market or the grocery. I haven't cleaned this fridge for quite a while, but honestly, it is easier to maintain because of its small size. For today, I will be doing it per section, so no need to turn it off. But you can always do it in bulk, wherein you'll remove everything. I suggest you turn off the fridge when you do that. I'm working my way from the top to the bottom, removing the items first on top, then removing the shelf to clean it. When sorting through your food, always check the expiration date so you can already get rid of those.
Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
I use these containers for like items so it's easier to grab and nothing gets lost in the back. I also make sure to wipe it down before putting it back in the fridge. If you experience spills or hard to remove gunk, try using baking soda and a little bit of your all-purpose cleaner. Then scrub it gently. I love using Curian when cleaning the fridge because it's not harmful and no chemicals. Did you know that you can actually use this to clean your fruits and vegetables? That's how safe it is. I just spray it and leave it for a couple of minutes, then the dirt and gunk gets easily removed just by wiping. For the shelf, you can either wash it or wipe it down. Make sure it's fully dry before putting it back. A trick that I use to make fruits and vegetables last longer is to put paper towels when storing it. This helps absorb moisture and your fruits and vegetables will last for weeks.
well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
Now don't forget to clean the gasket or rubber seal of the fridge door. Just wipe it down with your all-purpose cleaner, which I also use Curian for. And if there are gunk, just use a little bit of dishwashing soap and water with an old toothbrush to scrub it gently.
well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
It's best to create a system that you and your household members can follow. For us, we have a dedicated shelf just for leftovers. We don't want our food to get wasted, so this helps me decide if I need to cook. If there are still leftovers, then we just reheat it. I dedicated the top shelf for cheeses because my family loves making grilled cheese and, of course, butter. I also use this label maker to label it.
how about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too.
Another trick that I do using my marker, which is included in my grocery essential set, is to mark the leftover eggs in case I need to put newer ones. This ensures that we consume those first. Now for the freezer. The most common reason why the freezer gets really dirty and gunky is not using containers for meats. If you only use plastic bags, there is a chance it'll get ripped, which will cause spills. I suggest that you transfer your meats to a freezer-friendly container as soon as you arrive from the market and after washing it. I never had issue with freezer spills because of this, and so no need to always clean it.
Look at that, my glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it, you got fire burning right there in your eyes. So and when you got
Seeing fingerprints and streaks on your fridge door can be annoying, but it's easy to clean and maintain. Just a little bit of water and wipe down with a microfiber cloth or rags for stainless steel or glass, using the S motion. This technique avoids streaks and will leave your fridge shiny and streak-free. To level it up a bit, you can also combine 1 part water and 1 part rubbing alcohol and wipe with the same procedure. Clean and sanitized.
I hope you get motivated to cleaning yours too. Question of the day.
Question of the day.
How often do you clean your fridge? Comment it down below. Now it's time for the giveaway mechanics. There will be 2 winners who will receive 1 grocery essential set, which includes the grocery list, magnetic pen, and magnetic marker.
would you look at that, my glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it, you got fire burning right there in your eyes. So and when you got
Since this grocery essential has a magnet and sticks to the fridge, whenever I check the fridge or the pantry and I need to buy something, all I have to do is to get the pen and write it down. Then once I'm heading out to the grocery, all I need to do is to peel it off and I'm sure that I will not forget anything. Now back to the mechanics.
All you need to do is number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2 is to like this video. Number 3 is follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. And number 4, comment here, how often do you go to the grocery? Then make sure to include your Instagram username so I can DM you there in case you are the one who's chosen. Do you enjoy cleaning and organizing videos? I have a ton of those here in my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more contents like this. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Thank you for watching! Bye!
Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new today.